So yeah, if you ever wanted to magnify something, like when you read these little bitty labels with the small writing on them, you can barely see that stuff on there. I think a magnifying glass is the way to go. So I just got this one, XPX AIXPI. Let's check it out. Oh, okay, cloth, clean cloth, white cloth. All right, manual. All right. 3 AAA batteries. It's got a film on it. All right, that's good. It's got 2 of them. It's got an itty bitty one in the middle. I guess that's for looking at things up close. And that's the lights for the top and light for the bottom there. You guys see that? Let's see. Oh, yeah. You get right up on that little bitty one. And the big one, oh yeah, I like that. That's helping a lot. 5-inch magnifier. So let me see. If you can't see that like that, can y'all see that in there? Yeah, like my eye. See how much bigger my eye is. So yeah, definitely, and the farther back you get from it, the bigger the image gets. So yeah. Definitely could see the writing on there with that. Yeah, that's gonna help out a lot in the kitchen because I'm trying to read these little, yeah, I can get this on. I really get it. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, I'll be using this in the kitchen. Till next time, y'all.